Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a Flexirod set where I received some beautiful curls in under 10 minutes. So you want to be sure to start out on detailed hair, and you're going to section your hair off into 4 sections. I'm using the green Flexirods, and with that rod you want to place it at the base of the hair and just twirl the hair down the rod as if you were using a curling wand. So then you want to secure the rod by bending it over on each side. This will hold it in place and make sure that it does not come out in your sleep. Step on the front section of my hair, I'm going to be using 4 flexi rods total. So within this step, I'm going to do the same exact method. Placing the flexi rod at the base of the hair, taking the hair and wrapping it away from my face down the flexi rod as if I was using a curling wand. I'm not really sure what to call this because you don't want it to be laying flat like a curl. You want it to be kind of twisted as if you were curling wanding your hair. So to save on time, I'm going to repeat this method on the rest of my head, and I will come back and show you once I'm finished. Completed flexi rod in my whole head. I have all 4 rods placed in, and now I can go ahead and get ready for bed. This is how it looks, and I'm going to take my bonnet, place it on my head, and now it is time to go to bed. I will see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, and welcome back. It is the next morning now. I am about to get ready to go ahead and take the rollers out and show you guys how it looks. I didn't even bother to put my bunny back on to pretend like my bunny would be on in the morning, because quite honestly, when I go to sleep at night, my bunny usually slips off, and this is how it looks. So being real realistic here, the curlers are still intact though. Hair isn't too frizzy, so it shouldn't be a big deal. You just want to go ahead and unravel the rollers, and this part is just as quick as rolling it at night. So this is literally like under 10 minutes to maintain some hair. And once I take the roller out, I just did it that time. Let me actually explain. So I flip these up, like I untwist them, and I literally just loosen it and pull it down like this. Bam. And the type of curls they give is kind of like this squiggly, like body wave type of curl. So it gives like a body wave curl, and it's pretty cool. It gives like a nice wave that I like. So I'm going to go ahead and take these other 2 out. Real quick. Like that. Alright, so now that the curlers are out, all I do is I kind of separate the hair like that. And normally I would brush this top. So I like the look of this, so I try not to separate it too much. Let me slide back a little bit so y'all can see it better. But that's how it looks. It's really pretty. It's real nice. I actually like this kind of curl better than I like the wand curls I have been doing. So I've been rocking this a lot lately. So I'm just going to take my paddle brush, and I'm going to brush the top and also make sure in the back like all the tracks are covered, because when we separated our hair, I kind of like separated it and moved it over the tracks. So just gonna make sure all the tracks covered in the back. You can brush this hair out and it still looks good. I personally don't like to brush it too much. I want it to have this uniform curl look, so I try not to brush it too much. Alright, so last but not least, we can't be walking around with nice curls and have our edges looking raggedy. So I'm going to use my Eben New York. This is not an Eben New York. I'm going to use my Red by Kiss edge brush, and I'm going to use my Eben New York edge control. I'm going to do a little bit to my edges, swoop them back a little bit or something. So what I do is I pin this side of the hair back, perfect because one of my nails broke, so I can get right in here. And I take the edge control and I just kind of lay it along the edges that I'm gonna be laying, and then I swoop them down. And I still have some edge control on my finger. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I still have some for like the extra touches that I may have to do. And I'm kind of dipping through because I'm trying to look past my equipment to look in this mirror behind me. So that's why I'm not looking directly in the camera. This is actually harder than I thought, to be laying your edges with really practically no mirror. So, alright guys, that concludes this video. That is how I keep my hair looking nice in 10 minutes or less, maintaining it with Flexirods. That's if you don't feel like waking up an hour, 2 hours early to be trying to curl hair, take showers, get dressed, eat breakfast. You can do this at night and your hair is instantly ready in the morning. Like, it took me 5 minutes to take it down. Probably an extra 5 minutes to do my edges. So that's a whole hairstyle in 10 minutes or less. Like, say less.